Let me tell you something. Today is my birthday, and not only that, but a new stage of my life begins today. I will no longer live day by day. Instead, I will focus on living in the present to shape a promising future. It's time to wake up, to recognize that I can indeed grow, that it's never too late, and that being alive and healthy gives me the opportunity to always move forward. No more wasting this opportunity. I know I can because I believe in myself. The fact that I'm celebrating today is the definitive proof that I am destined for great things. I won't listen to anything that doesn't fill my heart or my life with goals to achieve. I won't allow anyone to set me back, and instead of seeing darkness, I will always seek the light because that's what radiates from my being and where I must always advance. I will make the most of every second as I have the most beautiful gift, which is being alive. Happy birthday to me because I love and will always surpass myself. In a year, I will know that everything was worth it and more. Happy birthday, buddy. I love myself